Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. Welcome back to Chemistry Class. My dear student, I hope you are doing well. So, my dear student, in the last lectures, we discussed the chemical reactivity of different metals like sodium and potassium are highly reactive, while some other metals like calcium and magnesium are moderately reactive. My dear student, there is a special group of metals which are less reactive or almost inert, and these are called noble metals. And today we will discuss the inertness of noble metals. So let's start step by step. Now, what are noble metals? My dear student, noble metals are those metals which show very little chemical reactivity and do not corrode or tarnish easily. Example of noble metals like gold, silver, platinum, sometimes palladium and rhodium are also considered. Now, inertness of noble metals definition. Inertness means resistance to chemical reaction. Noble metals are called noble because they resist oxidation, corrosion, and attack by acid or air under ordinary condition. Reason for inertness of noble metals. My dear student, the first reason is high ionization energy. Noble metals require a very high amount of energy to lose their valence electrons. This makes them less reactive compared to alkali or alkaline earth metals. And the second one is fault or stable d orbitals. Their electronic configuration gives extra stability. For example, gold and platinum have stable d orbitals, making them chemically less active. And the third reason is low affinity for oxygen and sulfur. Unlike iron or copper, they do not readily form oxides or sulfides in air. Example, gold remains shiny and does not rust or tarnish. And the fourth reason is resistance to acids and alkalis. Noble metals do not dissolve and common acids like HCl or H2SO4. Only special mixtures like aqua regia mean HCl plus HNO3 can dissolve gold and platinum. Now, applications of noble metals due to their inertness. The first one is jewelry and ornaments. Earlier student, gold and silver are used in making jewelry because they do not tarnish easily. And second one, medical uses. Platinum is used in surgical instrument and implants because it does not corrode inside the human body. And third one is catalysts. Platinum and palladium are used as catalysts and industrial reaction because of their stability. And the fourth one is coins and currency. In ancient times, gold and silver were used to mint coins due to their long lasting luster. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on inertness of noble metals. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture helped you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lecture, and share it with your friends. Comment your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.